Hi everyone, I'm Jane Trotter and welcome to Accelerando Piano Excerpts. These short videos are taken from my longer tutorials. They focus on one particular topic and are perfect if you're just after the straightforward facts and how-to. Just a very brief recap for you on sharps and flats. A sharp makes the note sound slightly higher, it goes up a semitone. So if we have F and we want to go up to F sharp, we would go up to the nearest note. Likewise, A sharp. And a flat does the opposite. A flat makes the note sound a little bit lower and it drops it by a semitone. So if we have G flat, and B flat. Now, many of you would have spotted that when I played F sharp and G flat, I actually played exactly the same note on the keyboard. And that's what an enharmonic equivalent is. It's basically a note that's spelt differently. And I'll show you what I mean. Here we go. So this very first example is what I played on the piano just before. The F sharp and the G flat are in fact both that note. And this one's an interesting one to look at. E sharp, so if I take the E and I go one note higher, it takes me to F, which is of course the same as that guy. So your enharmonic equivalents don't always have to be black keys, they could be a white key as well. And you might ask, well, why do we say something's, say, a C sharp in one piece and a D flat in the other? Well, the reason is this. It depends on what key your piece is in. In other words, what scale the notes are chosen from. So for example, this top one here, we've got three sharps, F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. And this is in the key of A major. So when I play the third note, which is the C, it's a C sharp because of the key signature. And so I would play this guy. If we check down the bottom, I'm in a new key. I'm in the key of D flat major. 5 flats. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat and G flat. So when I play my first note in D flat major, it's obviously D flat because of the key signature, and I'm playing that note. So it all depends on the key that you're playing in. If you'd like to check out some more notes on that, this is just basically a recap of the material that we've covered today.